Welcome to YS Online. Ako po si Dice, coming to you from the Suzuki Nihongo Learning Center in Quezon City, the Philippines. If you're new to this channel, check out our lesson library for your Japanese lessons in Tagalog. In our previous lesson, we learned the use of toki to express the time of the action. Napag-aralan natin na toki means when. Sa Tagalog, ito ay kapag or noong. Ginamit din natin ito sa mga sentences. So, check out the upper right-hand corner of your screen for a refresher on our previous lessons. In today's lesson, we will learn one of the conditional forms in Japanese language, which is to. Pag-aaralan natin kung paano idugtong ang sentences gamit ang to. Ang sentence pattern na pag-aaralan natin is verb in dictionary form, to, then something inevitable. So matututunan natin ngayon kung paano gamitin ang salitang if, then in Japanese gamit ang to. Parami na ang mga lessons natin kaya make sure to write down your notes and pause kapag kailangan ninyong balikan. So, ready ba kayo matuto ng Japanese in Tagalog? Una nating natutunan ng to is with. So, minamark ito ang tao o hayop na kasamang ginawa or ginagawa ang action. In this lesson naman, gagamitin natin ang to para sa statement verb this and inevitable action sentences. Very similar siya sa if this, then that sentence. Sa paggamit naman ng to, it's more of an expression na may siguradong action or pangyari kapag ginawa mo ang isang bagay. So in English, we can normally use the pair of words if this, then that for almost all conditional sentences. In Japanese, you need to change to different conditional forms depending on the situation. So for example, nasa loob tayo ng elevator. Press this button and the door will close. So pindutin mo yung buton at sasara ang pinto. In Japanese, that's このボタンを押すとドアが閉まります。このボタンを押すとドアが閉まります。Ito ay pang-unahing ginagamit sa mga sumusunod na tatlong uri ng mga pangungusap. Ito ay to give direction, to explain a natural phenomenon, and the use of a machine. So sa example natin, gumamit tayo ng machine, which is the elevator, kaya pasok ito sa paggamit ng verb dictionary form, to, and inevitable action. Dapat din nating tandaan kapag expressions of one's will, hope, judgment, permission, order, invitation, or request, this cannot be used in the main sentence. In this case, verb in dictionary form, tara, action, ang sentence pattern natin. But sa susunod na lesson pa yan. So, focus muna tayo sa sentence pattern natin ngayon. Ang sentence pattern na aaralin natin ngayon ay verb dictionary form, to, main sentence. Sa English ay if A takes place, then B happens inevitably. So, conditional ang pattern na ito at ang main sentence natin ay automatic o hindi maiiwasang mangyari or mangyayari siya. Halimbawa, when giving directions, if you turn right, you'll see a post office. Kung kakanan ka, makakakita ka ng post office. In Japanese, turn right is migie magarimasu. Post office naman ay yubin-kyoku. So sundan natin ang pattern. Una, gawin muna nating dictionary form ang verb magarimasu. So magiging magaru. Next step is idudugtong natin ang to para maging conditional. So we have migie magaru to. Sunod naman, ang idudugtong natin ang main sentence natin, which is yubin-kyoku ga arimasu. Kumpletuhin natin ang sentence. Migi e magaru to yubin-kyoku ga arimasu. Migi e magaru to yubin-kyoku ga arimasu. Isa pang halimbawa. If you go straight, you will find the hospital on the right. Kung didiretso ka, makikita mo ang ospital sa kanan. So, go straight in Japanese is massugu ikimasu. Right is migi. And hospital is byoin. Again, sundan lang natin ang pattern. Gawin muna nating dictionary form ang verb ikimasu. Magiging iku. Next, idudugtong natin ang to para maging conditional. Masugu iku to. Then, idudugtong na natin ang main sentence, migi ni byouin ga arimasu. So, put it together, we have masugu iku to, migi ni byouin ga arimasu. Masugu iku to, byouin ga migi ni arimasu. Next example is the use of machine. Same pattern pa rin ang gagamitin natin, verb dictionary form to main sentence. Halimbawa, if you push this button, the coin will come out. So sa Tagalog naman, kapag pinindot mo ang button na ito, lalabas ang sukli. Push is oshimasu in Japanese. Button is botang. Coin is coin. And come out is demasu. Okay, so ngayon, simulan na natin i-translate sa Japanese. Sa paggawa ng sentence na ito, kailangan natin gawing dictionary form ang verb oshimasu, so magiging osu. Para maging conditional ito, idudugtong na natin ang to. So, ang conditional sentence natin ay kono botan o osu to. Next, ay ang automatic result natin, which is coin ga demasu. So, ang complete sentence natin ay kono botan o osu to coin ga demasu. Kono botan o osu to coin ga demasu. Right? Madali lang siya. As with all of our lessons, right? Okay. Isa pang halimbawa para mas maging malinaw. If you step on the brake, the car will stop. Brake is bureiki. To step on is fumu. Stop naman ay tomarimasu. And car is kuruma in Japanese. Sundan lang natin ulit ang pattern. So gawin muna nating dictionary form ang verb fumimasu. So magiging fumu. Then idudugtong na natin ang to. Ang conditional sentence natin dito ay bureiki o fumu to. Next, ang inevitable result or hindi maiiwasang mangyayari, which is kuruma ga tomarimasu. So, the car will stop, no? Our next example is when expressing a natural phenomenon or a nature-related fact. Halimbawa, if it rains, it will get cool. So, sa Tagalog, kung uulan, lalamig siya. Rain is ame ga furimasu in Japanese. Get cool is suzushiku narimasu. Again, same pattern ang gagamitin natin. First, gawin nating dictionary form ang verb furimasu. That's going to become furu. So, pwede na nating idugtong si to para maging conditional siya. So, ang conditional sentence natin is ame ga furu to. Then, we are going to combine the main sentence suzushiku narimasu. So, put it together. We have ame ga furu to suzushiku narimasu. Ame ga furu to suzushiku narimasu. Alright, another example. If spring comes, the cherry blossoms will bloom. Spring comes in Japanese is haru ni narimasu. Cherry blossom is sakura and bloom is sakimasu. Same pattern ang gagamitin natin. First, gawing dictionary form ang verb narimasu, magiging naru. Next, idudugtong natin ang to. So, ang conditional sentence natin dito ay haru ni naru to. Idudugtong na natin ang main sentence, sakura ga sakimasu. So, kumpletuhin natin ang sentence, haru ni naru to sakura ga sakimasu. Haru ni naru to sakura ga sakimasu. Dapat din nating tandaan kapag expressions of one's will, hope, judgment, permission, order, invitation, or request, we're not going to be able to use in the main sentence, right? So, halimbawa, haru ni naru to Nihon e ikimasu. When spring comes, I will go to Japan. It sounds good for English, but kung mapapansin ninyo, yung nasa main sentence natin ay personal will or sarili nating choice na pumunta. That can't be used in the Japanese conditional form to sentence according to the rules. So that's incorrect for Japanese. But if the event of going to Japan is a habitual action, so that means na pumupunta ka sa Japan every year, every time na spring comes, right? Then we can use to. Sapagkat pwedeng gamitin ang to kapag na-express ito ng habitual action. In that case, dapat mas defined yung sentence natin. Halimbawa, mai toshi haru ni naru to Nihon e ikimasu. So that's every year when spring comes, I go to Japan. Mai toshi haru ni naru to Nihon e ikimasu. Alright, naintindihan ba natin ang lesson natin ngayon? Now, it's practice time. Subukan ninyong gumawa ng sentence gamit ang mga pattern na natututunan natin ngayon. O kaya ay subukang i-translate ang mga English sentences na ito into Japanese. Turn this and the volume goes up. Press this button and the lights turn on. Turn the lights on, the room will get bright. Press the button, the ticket will come out. Turn to the left and you will find the supermarket. Write your answers in the comment section below. And that's it for us at YS Online today. Thank you very much for watching as always, and if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who might be interested to learn more about the Japanese language. For all of our full YS Online members out there, we have quizzes and other review materials for you to go through para ma-absorb ninyo ang natututunan natin sa mga lessons natin dito. Be sure to take those quizzes. If you're interested in becoming a full member for our online program, be sure to check us out at www.ysnlc.com. Stay tuned to our next video. Gagamitin natin ang pinag-aralan natin ngayon para gumawa ng even more sentences. For YS Online, my name is Dice. Ja, mata ne!